Create a romantic side ponytail with a plait for a soft style. Start with hair pre-curled and the Curl Secret Optimum on the romantic curl setting. Use your fingers to soften the curls. Create a section from the parting on the right to the top of your ear and clip away. Section your desired amount of fringe and clip away. Sweep the rest of the hair loosely back into a low side pony just below the left ear. Secure with a hair tie and soften with fingers. Unclip the right section, sweep it back and create a soft plait. Secure with a hair tie. Separate the plait with your fingers to soften and create fullness. Pin it into the ponytail. Add a ponytail cuff for a really on-trend finish. Comb the fringe and style it into the desired shape. And that's how you create a side ponytail with a soft plait using the Curl Secret Optimum.